Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm bringing to you a simple, easy DIY project that adds some extra functionality to your kitchen, and that is some pull-out trash cans under your kitchen cabinets. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, from DIY projects and home decor to fashion and beauty. So if that interests you, be sure to click that subscribe button. So if you don't want your trash can out for everybody to see it, if you want it hidden so your kitchen looks nice and organized and clean, this is going to be the project for you. It's very easy, it's very simple. A lot of times people just hire somebody to install a pull-out trash can, but guys, it's so easy. It is super easy. So today I'm going to be installing 2 pull-out trash cans in my kitchen for you all. The very first one is going to be a 8-gallon trash can that's a pull-out, and the second is going to be a dual pull-out trash can. They're each 5 gallons. Each one is for your trash and one is for your recycle, and that's in the same pull-out. So but because my cabinet is so big, I'm going to install both under this one cabinet and show you guys how both look and how easy it is to do. So the very first thing you want to do is measure your cabinet, measure your width as well as your length of the cabinet, and that way you know what size trash can to look for. That is very, very important because you want to make sure your cabinet can hold your trash can size that you want. So be sure to measure. Mine was fairly large, so I decided to install 2, but again, I measured them out so I knew they both would fit. I will link the 2 that I used below. They're made by Simple Human. If you like me, I like to also recycle, so this was perfect to serve as both a garbage can as well as a recycle bin, and I can hide both under the cabinet and it works great. Guys, this project is all of 4 steps. Like literally, it's so easy. It's 4 steps. That's all there is to it. So the very first thing you do is you find exactly where in the cabinet you want to place the trash cans. When you find that area, I decided to just mark my holes with a pin so that I will know where I was installing it, because you want to pull the trash can out. You can do it with the trash can in. The choice is yours. The instruction says that as well. I chose to pull it out so I can literally see where I was installing it. So I marked my holes with a pin. After you find your placement, you screw the screws into your base floor. Now I decided to only install 4 screws in each one of the trash cans. It comes with 8. You can install all 8, but I found it to be fairly secure with just the 4, so I just did 4 in each of the trash cans. And so I did this for both my trash cans. Once I got the first base installed into the cabinet, I then measured the second set and found placement for that. I marked it with a pencil, and then I screwed in the screws to the floor. After I finished that, the only thing left to do was to put the drawers back in. It is that simple. I literally put the drawers back in. That is all there is to it. That's it. That's it. Guys, this is one of the most simple DIY projects. You don't have to hire anybody to do it. You can do it yourself and save that money. It is so simple, and it adds so much functionality to your kitchen and keeps your kitchen looking clean and organized. You don't see your trash can out, it's hidden. You can install these into any cabinet in your kitchen. Just be aware that the 5-gallon is a little smaller. They're not as big as the 8-gallon, so do keep that in mind. So hopefully me showing you the picture of how it looks in my cabinet gives you an idea of the size. So the 8-gallon trash can actually came with a trial set of bags. So I used those bags. I think it was 10 bags that came in there. I used those. The other 5-gallon trash cans, they didn't come with any bags, but I picked up some 4 gallons from Walmart and stuck them in there. Unless I can find some 5-gallon, I may try to find some, but for now, they work just fine. I'm so glad I took the time out to do this project. If you haven't even thought about it, I hope I gave you a little bit of a little light bulb to show you that it's so simple, it's so easy, even I can do it. It took me for the both trash cans, it took me about 45 minutes to install them both. So if you're just doing one, you can expect maybe 20-30 minutes, if that. But again, I installed two, so it was double the time. But it doesn't take long at all. You don't have to pay out any money to hire anybody to do it. You can do it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I hope I gave you guys some ideas, and be sure to go check out a lot of my other DIY videos if you're a DIYer. I also have tons of home decor videos, so be sure to check those out as well. If you want to see my house that we recently purchased, go head over to that tour, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it.